welcome back to my channel. This is Reshma here, and today in this video I have shown a very easy monsoon makeup tutorial. So keep watching the video, guys. So the first step is loose powder, and I'm using over here Lakmein 9 to 5 translucent powder. This will not only help your face to cover the excess oil, and it will also give a matte finish to your makeup. We are not going to use any kind of foundation or concealer because this will drip off when it gets wet. So we will first use a loose powder to set the base. Second step would be the blush. Just add some blush to your high points of your cheeks. This not only will make your skin glow, and it will also give a pinky look on your cheeks. Third step is the mascara. Add lots and lots of mascara to your eyes. This will make your eyes look bigger, and yes, it also adds to a lot of drama to your eyes. Next step is just fill in the gaps or give a nice outline to your eyebrows. Next is the lipstick. Wear a bright red or neon color lipsticks. Make sure you tie up your hair using a rubber band or cotton band. You can either opt for a ponytail, or you can just give a high bun. This will give you a very neat and clean look, and this also helps from hair damages. The final look is ready. As you can see how the entire makeup and look is being done. I believe this look is the most simplest look I have shown in this video. If you have any thoughts or suggestions related to the same look, please do leave your valuable thoughts and comments in my comment box. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.